Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner from Austin there, and today I'm going to do a rant on Hitler. Why? Because I really hate that man with the burning passion. Enjoy the video. Hitler. What? More like Hitler the madman? Oh my gosh. This person sucks so hard. I'm going to explain why that I really hate Hitler with the burning passion. Number 1. Hitler kills a lot of people. Number 2. Hitler hates God. Number 3. Hitler is a bad man. And number 4. Hitler is bad. Hitler's really bad. Do you know who loves this person? No one. No one loves Hitler with the burning passion. And do you know who hates Hitler? Everybody. Everybody hates Hitler. Everybody in the whole entire world. Everybody hates Hitler with the burning passion. So screw Hitler. And screw Hillary Clinton. God is better than Hitler. End of rant. If you have any requests about my rants, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel.